Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make parrot pop out effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will choose blank Instagram post as our canvas. So before starting I will request all of you to please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring you new tutorials for absolutely free in our channel. So for the main effect, we will be using this image which I have downloaded from pixels.com, and I will link it in the description. You can find it in the description box, the link of this image. So I will go to uploads and I will choose this image and open it. And I will keep it right here, but before that I will go to frame and choose the letter frame. Quickly scroll down to find the letter frame, and here it is. So I will choose P here. Okay. So please keep one thing in mind, that whatever you are doing, please maintain the scale ratio so that you can understand the dimensions in a better way. So I'll go to uploads, I'll place the image here. Okay, so make sure you place the dimension scale here and another one here. It will require it in the next phase and you will understand why we have done it here. So, and for the P frame we'll place another print here. So I will just go and download it, and for this you have to keep it in mind that you use a transparent background option and you need to have a pro account for this work, so you need to download it. So it is downloaded. Let's upload it here. Okay, so I will just do the backspace and remove it and add this part. And this is done, as you can see it here. So I will add this image, and you have to keep it in mind that you have to do the remove background, but before that you need to do something else. Let's compress it here and change the background to dark gray. Okay, and now for this we'll go to edit image and go to shadows and go to glow. Okay, and first choose the color from black to white. Now increase the size increase the transparency, and just increase a bit of this side. Okay, and click on apply. Okay, so bring it right here, and you are done for this part. Now for the next work, you have to bring this image, and now you will understand what is the help you will be getting from the dimension pair, from the scale part. Okay, so as you can see, I have pasted it right here. Okay, now I will go to edit image, and I will remove the background, which is also a Canva Pro feature. Okay, so one thing you have to check that when the background is removed, it also removes the shadows part here, so you have to restore it. So let's zoom it a bit and decrease the brush size to 12. Okay, now let's restore it. And this one also. So this is restored, and you can now click on done. Okay, so this is the image. Let's match it up. And as you can see, it is properly matched. So I will just crop it from right here. And just adjust a bit so that the image gets adjusted. So after that, to make a crop out effect, we'll again hold on this frame, this P frame, go to edit image, go to shadows, and this time click on drop shadow. Okay, so I will go to offset and increase a bit, increase the blur. Okay, and increase the transparency a bit. So this is the tutorial, and as you can see, it is the paired pop-out effect, and it is also known as the picture photo pop-out effect in Canva. So you can try this tutorial and make your own portrait for you. So hope you like this tutorial, and please check more of our tutorials which are linked right here. Thank you, and if you have any type of problems in understanding any part of the tutorial, make sure you just comment in the video so that we can understand and help you in a better way. Thank you. Have a great day.